Today is the music release, which I got to know last night on my laptop that it has leaked. It hadn't leaked. I think that was the release, and today I think most of the music is in the market. मुझे ऐसा लगने लगा है कि मैं इस फिल्म के प्रचार में अकेला ही आके presentation करता रहता हूँ. This is the CD, जब तक है जान. So this is out in the markets today, and what we are doing here today is to introduce to everyone song which is extremely soulful. The film is like that. हमारी पूरी फिल्म है बड़ी soulful सी है. यश जी के स्टाइल में जो एक खूबसूरती उनके प्यार की है, उनके हर फिल्म की जो एक पेस होती है, एक उसमें एक अपना किस्म का दर्द होता है, ठहराव होता है, लेकिन कोशिश ये की गई है इस पूरी फिल्म में. मैं क्यों ये लेक्चर दे रहा हूँ, क्योंकि जो गाना है वो इसी बात को दर्शाएगा कि जैसी फिल्म का पूरा फील है कि द फिल्म इज़ अबाउट इंटेंसिटी ऑफ लव but made in a very contemporary style, but essentially it's Mr. Yash Chopra film as it should be. The song is on Katrina Kaif because she's away shooting Dhoom 3. She is going to join us from Chicago on Skype, and hopefully we'll be able to beat technology for once here and get her on time.
Yeah, we've been shooting all night. It's freezing cold here. I think the cold follows me wherever I go. It's as cold as when we were shooting the other song, not the one we're launching today, Shiva. It was as cold. So small speech on that and my professionalism and
You can't see me.
No.
तेरी आँखों की नमकीन गुस्ताखियाँ. Now you know it's me.
Yes, I know it's you.
Yeah?
Do you want to share? Do you want to share the story of that dubbing as well?
No, I just want you to know it's me and you don't mistake. I love you, Katrina. Like when we're doing the song, it was really cold, extremely cold, and as it always happens, the girls do wear smaller dresses in songs than boys do. I think the two of the bravest people in those nights, which was I think -2, -3, maybe Chicago was colder. It was extremely cold, very windy, and it was on a.
You can tell the dubbing story.
Tell which story? You say the dubbing story and I will deny it completely.
No, then I won't say it.
Okay, please tell the dubbing story. Yeah, so please hear it from her.
Sure, you can keep me awake. That's no problem.
No,
but
if you don't speak, then you go to sleep. So, go on. No, please tell the dubbing story, please.
No, so yeah, I never gave my opinion on any scene in the film or any shot in the film, but we were I was dubbing a scene, and they asked me just to, give a 5-minute break because Shah Rukh had to come in and dub some lines. So obviously, yes, she was there, I was there, everyone was sitting. So Shah Rukh said, just wait 5 minutes, I'll be done. Did a take, and then he asked me what he thought, and I said, nice, wonderful, of course.
I would not do a romantic film with anyone else while he would like me to be a part of his film. This is nice. Whatever the director wants me to play, and whatever I'm not playing too often in that year. It's as simple as that. Because I'm a guy, I do like guns and girls, and like I said, I want to be James Bond.